You are training to work at the front desk of a university library. Listen to your supervisor and repeat what she says. Repeat only once. Welcome to the library. Please keep your voice low at all times. Students may borrow up to 5 books with a valid ID. The computer lab on the second floor is available during regular library hours. If a student needs help finding a resource, direct them to the reference desk. Printing services, group study rooms, and lockers are located near the east entrance. Students who wish to reserve a study room must sign up at the front desk at least 1 hour in advance.